So we're making a coconut smoothie full of protein and of course a little collagen for our beauty of our hair, nails, and skin. So I just have a little bit of coconut milk here. I'm going to add my coconut yogurt. And I also have another coconut yogurt that I froze into a ball. That was the mold shape that I had. I mean, you can use any mold that you have. You just kind of want to be able to get that nice thickness. So that's why, you want to be able to freeze at least some coconut yogurt. Okay. Here are our list of ingredients. And here it is. But I'm actually going to put first our cream of cocoa in here. And my coconut ball. Now we're going to add our protein powder. This is just a plant-based, non-flavored protein powder. 1 scoop will do because I'm going to add some collagen. Scoop of collagen here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this smoothie blended again. Here is our vitamin content. Vitamins in coconut smoothie is coconut yogurt, C, folate and thiamine, protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium and zinc, and coconut milk, C, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium. Did you know 4.2 of Americans don't own a car and live more than half a mile from the grocery store? This makes it harder for them to have access to food and can lead to food insecurity. Well, our coconut smoothie is done, and we have our resident taste tester, Gio, who's going to let us know how our coconut smoothie turned out. Now, this is only if you're a coconut lover. If you're not a coconut lover, sorry, too bad. This is for those who really love coconut.
Well, it has like a nice, rich and creamy texture and taste to it with the coconut chunks in it too. That adds a nice little tiny little crunch into it that makes it good.
So I am going to try it out myself. This is just some toasted coconuts that we have on the top, just for garnish. He's right. Definitely coconut rich. I love coconut, not like him, who he could take it or leave it. I love it. It tastes like a milkshake, a pina colada milkshake. Totally delicious. I definitely taste a little bit of the protein powder too in here, which is not bad because it's unflavored, but you taste a little bit of the chip powder, and you could omit the powder if you don't want, protein in it, but you're thinking about maybe trying to get something before you start your day, hence what you put the protein in it. You can even put almond butter in here if you want. It won't stay white. It'll turn a little bit beige, but that's fine. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with Gio and I today. We really appreciate it. And don't forget, come back and hang out with us again. And don't forget, hit the subscribe and like button. Love you.